Hey y'all, back again with another Halloween DIY. Number 3 so far. This one turns out cute. I hope y'all like it. Okay, showing y'all what I'm thinking about using. Different colored flowers. 3 skulls that I spray painted black. Some moss. I thought about using him, but I don't end up. He's too big. I don't use him. And little spiders. And then some purple lights. And I didn't care that them skulls wasn't all painted pretty and stuff because I was going to cover it up anyway. First I glued all 3 skulls together. It wasn't too hard to do. And then I don't know about y'all, but I found that if I put moss on stuff like styrofoam, sometimes it helps things stick to it better. So that's why I'm using some of this moss. You don't end up seeing much of it in the end, but I think it helped. I don't know. It may just all be in my head. But a little bit of it does peek out, and I like that moss, so it's okay. I was just putting it up there on the top, mainly. Oh, that stuff goes everywhere, don't it? I need one of those cute little vacuums y'all got. I'm going to use my copper metallic paint again. I'm in love with that stuff. I think I bought another one, but I got to find where I put it, because that one there's about out. Now it's just a painting, dry brushing on it. It looks sort of like a monkey skull now, don't it? I think it's gold. And right there, I knocked my glue gun over into the paint, so I had to use my finger to clean it off. But then I finished painting that first head. I just love that metallic paint. It looks so cool in copper. It takes quite a bit to do these things. They're big skulls. But I got it done. And I think it looks cool. Now, I did the other 2. And it looks all neat. I like it like that, but I had to add the flowers. That's what we're going to work on next. Now, I just cut the stems short enough that I could just stick them right down into them skulls. Easy peasy. Didn't even have to use hot glue for that part. Kept knocking my thing over there off. I'm just so clumsy, y'all. I won't have all this. I'll have hopefully more room when I get out my SOB eventually. But at first I probably still have the same table, but maybe a craft table separate. I don't know. We'll see. See, I just cut them off and stuck them down in there where I thought they looked pretty. I think it comes together nice. And there we go, finishing up. Stick a few in that I thought had holes. See, it looks cute. Then I wanted to add them little spiders. Had to figure out where I wanted to put them first. Of course, I put them on their skull faces. Who don't want a spider on their face? Put hot glue on his little butt and stuck him up there. I made sure to hold it a little while, so maybe it'd stick good. See? I put this one on that one's face. They're still stuck right now, so hopefully they'll stay. And then I put one down on the mouth on that one. See, they look cute. I'm going to set that on the campground table at our site. We're going camping for Halloween. I'm so excited to decorate. Showing y'all this is some copper we kept out of the lights from the SOB when we was putting them in. And I decided I want to use a little bit of it in the flowers just to bring some more of that color in up there. So I just cut off little pieces and hot glued them where I thought they looked good. I got some more of that little wire I might use in something else. I don't know. We'll see. but I liked it in this. I know it didn't bring much up there, but I thought it helped just a little bit of color. Them's all Dollar Tree flowers. Everything Dollar Tree again, except my paint. There you go. See, it wasn't much, but it added a little bit. And they look cute. Now, got to add my lights. I'm awful untangling lights. I can tangle them good. My husband, he don't even let me mess with Christmas lights. Look, don't they look cute with them on? Then I'm going to put some moss and glue the controller to the back of it. And then it'll be done. I think it looks cute. What do y'all think? Hope you like it. And thank you so much for watching my video. If you do like it, I'd appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I got a long way to go to get to 1,000 people. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. Bye-bye.